Today, I will show you how to view the contents of a tar.gz file without extracting it. This works on Ubuntu using the command line. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Now let's say you have a file called archive.tar.gz. To see what's inside this file without extracting it, we use the tar command with a few options. Type the following command: tar tcfarchive.tar.gz. Let's break this down. T stands for list. It tells the command to display the contents without doing anything else. Z tells tar to handle a zip compressed file. This is important because tar.gz files are compressed using zip. F means we are specifying the name of the file next. In this case, it's archive.tar.ge. After running this command, you'll see a list of all files and folders inside the archive, printed line by line in the terminal window. This lets you inspect the contents without making any changes or using up extra disk space. That's it. You've just learned how to peek inside a tar.gz file without unpacking it. Thanks for watching.